I'm Andrea Kawaja, and I'm the librarian at Bee Cave Middle School.
My name is Caitlin Hooker, and I've been the librarian here at Hudson Bend for 9 years now. It always starts with my regulars coming in the mornings.
Every morning, I have 50 to 75 kids in the library.
I usually hang out in the morning.
Every morning.
Every morning?
Yeah, every morning.
I usually come to the library whenever I need to print out something.
So we've been writing a book together. We usually work on that.
I like to read books sometimes when I'm bored.
It's a nice place to get work done without any distractions.
We also get to do board games. And then she lets us play ping pong in the room.
Probably hanging out with my friends. We always meet at that table.
The library is the heart of the school. It's a hub and a place where everybody on campus comes to collaborate.
I want them to feel like they're walking into the family room of their house.
It's cozy here, and there's lots of books.
Cozy.
Warm and fuzzy.
It's a very cottage-ish vibe.
It feels like a house. It's chill. I like to come in here and just hang out.
It's just a nice workplace.
Yeah, it's peaceful.
It makes me feel welcomed in because it's such a nice and quiet place.
It makes me feel happy because I can get all my work done, and it's I can talk with my friends.
It reminds me of my friends because we always talk here.
It makes me feel relaxed.
It makes me feel productive.
It's a nice place to just relax.
The librarians and librarians are here to support all learners in our community. That includes parents, our teachers, our administrators, and of course, first and foremost, our students.
I hope that the community already knows how dedicated the librarians in this district are to their children. We love our jobs and we love being here.
And I know all of us on the team feel really honored and privileged to do this job.
We're all here just for the students.
Miss Kawaja.
Yeah, she's nice.
Goodbye. Have a good morning, y'all.